What's up, guys? Okay, in today's video we're going to be working on the long neglected Jeep Wrangler that's sitting right behind me. As you guys know, we've been working on the 65 Mustang, which we've made some insane progress. Please go check out those videos. It's very crazy right now, but we are going to basically in this entire video assemble an entire Jeep. Everything from rockers, armor, fenders, whole interior, roll cages going back in. We're going to do some bed lining. We have a lot to get done today, so sit back, enjoy this craziness, and let me show you where we're going to start. We have completely finished out the floor pans. If you guys are new, we had to redo all the floor pans. What we're going to start with is I went ahead and ordered all new armor. So we have some rockers, they're going alongside, some rear quarter fenders or rear flares, and some new front fenders to go here. So we're going to install all of that. Along with that, we are going to go ahead and do a nice bed liner on this whole rear quarter because it's really damaged. So we're going to cover all that up. Once we get all that ready, we're going to move to the interior. It's going to be bolting the seats in. We got to clean the carpet. We got to put the whole dash back in. Oh, we got to put the whole roll cage back in. We got to put the braces going across, and then we got to figure out a top situation. But it should be interesting. Literally, this thing's going to be a complete different Jeep by the end of the video. But we already went ahead, put on new sway bar links, adjustable, removable. So we have that. We have the light bar ready. We're going to get some new headlights that are on the way. Those were sacrificed for the 65. Let's go ahead and get started by, we're gonna sand all this down, getting ready to throw some bed liner on here. But you guys will see, today's video is a lot of time lapsing, so let's get started.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act.
So guys, we've got it all sanded down. It's really looking great. We just gotta clean it off. But if you look over here, or this is all just kind of beat up, it's all just kind of like this, we're gonna have to straighten that out before we can paint it. He's only trying to straighten it out afterwards. So we're gonna take our trusty mallet, beat the crap out of that until it's straight, and do the same with the other side. So let's do it.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in. Let me in, yeah.
You want a donut?
Probably.
Okay. Taking a donut break, guys.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
What, you never had a donut before?
Dude, that is, I can't say that word, but that is amazing. Okay, guys. Oh gosh. After I finish this donut, we're going to go ahead and start rolling on the bed liner.
Bro, you know, once the trash can gets full, you actually have to empty it.
We're going to get to painting. I have Charlie if you didn't see. Yeah. Let's do it.
What's it look blue?
Dude, it's
Bro, you got navy blue.
Grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back, yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one, working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah, rises like the sun, yeah.
So guys, we're letting the paint dry a little bit right now, but we are starting to look at a bed lined Jeep. Things are really coming together. They're gonna look great. I think it's gonna look great going with the armor and everything. It's gonna look great together. I'm really excited about it. Worst case, if it doesn't turn out, I'll go ahead and get some more armor to just cover all this up anyway. But I think it'll work out. We're gonna let this dry a little bit, put another coat on it. But while that's drying, we're gonna go ahead and start pulling this old metal off, getting these fenders ready, doing some cutting for the new ones. So the new ones are over here. They've got a nice lip hanging off of them. Give it a little bit more stance. But we're gonna go ahead and start by pulling these fenders apart. So let's do it. Oh, you can see here, this looks terrible, and I'm really scared to see what's on the other side.
So I gotta get through it, and the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
So it is another day. Last night we managed to finish up all the flares. For the most part, we still have to do a couple more bolts and stuff like that. But as you can see, they look great. They turned out awesome. We're gonna have to get, I'm probably gonna end up getting some new headlights, and I gotta get some different turn signals because these don't have running lights in them. But now that we have these beautiful fenders, now it's time to work on the rest of the armor. We're gonna be putting together the rest of the car, the rockers, the wheel wells, the rear wheel well things, and putting the taillights and stuff back together. So, put you guys back on time lapse and let's do it. Also guys, the bed liner turned out great. It should be fine. We're gonna go ahead and peel all the tape off too. See how those lines look, but everything's looking good.
I don't understand what you be saying. Me and all my homies, we ain't playing. Had a lot of bad days, it's been raining. I set for day shift, then I went to Vegas. Yeah, I'm in a spaceship. Promise mama that I'm gonna make it. I want this so bad, yeah, I'm still waiting. This my own road, is for the taking. Splash and I'ma ball on them. They tell me get the mic and I'ma call on them. Got so much on my mind and I can't run from it. But it's gonna be okay because I'm far from it. I can see the sun right over the horizon. I ain't lying, I'ma keep on trying. I'ma reach up for the stars, yeah, I'ma keep on flying. I'ma keep on flying. I ain't never gonna change, I ain't never gonna change. I ain't never gonna change, I ain't never gonna change. I can feel this in my veins, I can feel it in my brain. Just sit back and just watching while I do my thing. I ain't in it for the fame, but one day they gon' know my name. Everybody gon' know my name. Here we go, let's go, yeah. I don't understand.
Okay guys, so it's about midnight, maybe around 1 a.m. and we have officially put the roll bar on, put the fenders, everything on. Everything's looking great. So let's go look at that real quick because it looks dope. Oh, look at this thing. Fenders look phenomenal. Still need to put the rocker on this side, the flares, the whole cage. The full look, everything's looking great. We still have to put all the interior in. This side just looks phenomenal. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and try to mount the seats up on this thing. They're really dirty right now. I need to go ahead and clean. They need to be shampooed along with the carpet. I've got it sitting in the corner, but we're gonna drill the new hole since we had to make the new floor pans for the seats. We'll do that real quick. And then tomorrow we're going to clean the seats, clean the carpet, and all sorts of fun stuff.
Yeah, why can't I get out of my bed? Thoughts I can't get out of my head. Got blacked out, maxed out my credit card. Why can't I get out of my debt? Chasing to feel good, feel real good. But then I feel worse, feel better off dead. Red pill, blue pill, one pill, two pill, up. I just ran out of my meds. My whole life is a mess that I can't clean up. A bully that I can't beat up. Can't slow down, no, I gotta speed up. Got a lot of upkeep that I can't keep up. One step forward, two step backward. Every day's a new disaster. Wonder if I turn the page, will I get through this chapter? I just had the worst day of my life. I'm trying to act like nothing wrong, but I can't do nothing right. So I'm about to break down, about to lose my mind. If I can make it through the day, they said tomorrow I'll be fine. I've been down this road before, but I don't think I ever been down this slow. I've been sad, but I don't know why. I think I lost my mind, but I found it though. I just want someone to text me back, except when the bank say balance low. I just want someone to let me vent and not judge like a talent show. Maybe I'm over dramatic and all my emotion erratic. I'm probably just overreacting, but maybe I'm not. Maybe the story I tell is supposed to be tragic. If I try to bottle my thoughts, I end up busting the glass or popping a hole in the plastic. I wear my heart on my sleeve like I got it sewn in the fabric. I got some bad vibrations. I'm trying to stay clean.
Okay guys, so a few days have passed, but we have officially wrapped almost everything up. We put the battery on charge, we need to get a new battery, but all exhaust is hooked up, O2 sensors are hooked up, and we're gonna see if this thing will start up and not die like it was doing before. So let's do it. Moment of truth. That is awesome news, guys. Beforehand, it couldn't even idle. It barely would start up. We do need to get a new battery. That battery is from like 2011, I think. So we're gonna get a new battery, a couple little things, but this thing is honestly pretty much done. So I'll give you guys a little tour of it, a little final end product, but it's done. So guys, we still need to do a couple little things. New battery, I need to change a few things, fix the turn signals, a couple little things. But for the most part, the Jeep is completely done. And this literally proves that you can build a Jeep Wrangler on a budget. I think this car only have about $3,500 in it. And you guys can see it turned out amazing. I'm super happy about it. It looks awesome. I'm not sure exactly what the plan is for it next. I do want to have a little bit of fun with it before we get rid of it. So stay tuned for that. We do need to wash it, clean it, and all sorts of fun stuff like that. But this thing's coming a really long way. I hope you guys enjoyed the build. We have a lot more stuff coming. We're actually working on the 65 Mustang over there right now. Getting the trans out, new clutch, that, and we're putting the lowering kit on. So you guys will want to see that. It's gonna look awesome. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys a ton. And if you like this, please see me subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subs before the end of the year, so hopefully we can get there. But anyway, thank you guys so much. I love you guys a ton. Deuces.
I'm beating it up like I'm Tyson. She's sucking me clean like a Dyson. I'm going back to my old ways.